Martin from the Heresy group. I want to talk about a product today and something that I've been waiting to get for a little while. Just wanted to come across the right one with the right scale. This is the urban training bag from Helikon. It's going to be really difficult for me to show you this on camera, on this camera angle, especially for the fact that this is empty, but essentially it's a large satchel bag for my kit. I will cut and change camera angles in a second just to show you how much kit you can fit into this, because it is very deceptive the amount of gear that you can get in there. But where this is important for me is for my soft, clothing, my core material, what I'm going to need. Everything else goes in pelly cases. For me, pelly cases keep your equipment dry and safe, especially when you're talking about things like night vision, helmets, guns and so on and so forth. It's good that they are really well protected. But for your soft goods, if you're traveling to an event that's 2 hours away, 6 hours away, 10 hours away, bag like that's really handy. In there I see going my boots, gloves, trousers, t-shirts, any thermal that I'm wearing or over jackets, even plate carriers, baseball caps, gloves, glasses. It's all of that core information that when you jump out the car originally, you can wheel your pelly boxes into the site. This is all the stuff that you could take up with you or potentially get changed out of the boot of your car. It is a very, very great, good sized bag for just taking your soft goods with you. I will do a quick camera angle change now, load this bag up and then take you through what I put in mine. So guys, what I've done is put some basic kit inside the bag just for you to have a look at, see the amount of storage that we've got in here. Very, very deceptive the amount of stuff you can get in here. To be completely honest, there's still a good bit of room. As you can see, I haven't packed it out fully, haven't utilised all of the pockets either. We've got some large pockets all the way down the front here that I haven't put anything in, but you could definitely pack this out to the gills if you really needed to. So just beginning to unload, we'll start from the far right hand pocket. I've got my hygiene sort of little pouch and I've got everything in there. Not going to go into the actual specifics, but toothbrush, toothpaste, spare contact lenses, face wipes and all those sort of things, so just hygiene stuff. Spare pair of eyewear, which I always bring a couple of pairs and have them dotted about all over the place. I've got a spare set in my pelly as well. Just moving to this end, what I've done is here, just put a couple of slings in here as well, so just to fill this pocket out. Again, you've got a ton of material in here. In the main bag itself, we've got a lot more. So just opening up this main compartment pocket. On the back of here, I've got 2 sets of gloves. I've got a set of outdoor research in here, and I've also got a set of pig gloves. Really just 2 pairs of gloves just in case. This is not by no means a packing list, just to show you the amount of stuff you can get in here. I've got my full rig set up in the top of the bag as well, which fit in there well, and then also I've got a full belt kit set up, another pair of eyewear, top, BDU bottoms, and then also a pair of boots. So as you can see, a ton of kit inside that bag. Really easy for you to be able to use this, load it up, just have your soft goods in here. Really, this is everything I need to get ready and head out onto the ground. So, if I don't just want to carry all this up and I've got all this stuffed in the back of the car, it's so much easier to have it in a nice bag, be able to take this bag with me to go and do events. Realistically, I need my gun box, my big pelly case with all of my accessories in, and then this bag itself. Really, really impressed with the quality. Again, YKK zippers all round, got nice big pull tabs on the inside and the outside. Really heavy quality, thick mesh. Everything's made to be nice and durable. The way the inside of the bag is finished as well, again, is really nice. You've got a nice hanging pocket on the inside, just I nearly forgot to mention, and in here I've got a neck scarf and I've got an Arc'teryx hat. Loads of little pockets, little stash areas, really nice. Thick, heavy duty canvas material. All the seams are nice and lined as well, which is another thing I do like seeing on bags. Very heavy stitching. You've got these strap lines that go round the bottom and across the bottom of the bag. This is going to give you loads of strength. This is going to stop the bottom of the bag tearing out, and it does mean that if you really do load this up with some heavy goods, then you know that you're not going to tear the bottom of the bag out. Again, these strap handles come all the way up and over, so what you're going to be carrying it by, it's going to give the bag a lot of strength. So an extremely versatile pack, but for me, really handy for putting all my soft goods in. If you want to check out some more information on this bag and other bags by Helikon Techs, we have done a fair few reviews on their products now back on the channel. For me, this was an absolute must. Not massively expensive either. I'll make sure that everything's linked in the description below. Best thing you can do is find a dealer, distributor near you. You might even be able to go and pick it up in a shop that's local to you. I will put the Helikon Techs website in the description below, and then potentially you can go and find a store near yourself. Really, really impressed with this. If you do want to see some more information, if you want any information on all of the kit here, please make sure you put a comment in the comments box below. Hit that subscribe, push that like, it all really helps us out. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you can do that by clicking in the bottom right hand corner of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.